separation techniques. Now it is separation of mixture of a solid and a liquid. Here method used for this process is centrifugation. The method of separating finely suspended or colloidal particles in a liquid by whirling the liquid at a very high speed is called centrifugation. The principle of centrifugation. It is based on the principle that when a very fine suspension or a colloidal solution is whirled rapidly, then the heavier particles are forced towards the bottom of the liquid and the lighter stay at the top. Hereby centrifugation process will separate cream from milk. The process of separation of cream from milk. The process of centrifuging is employed in separating cream from milk. This process is generally employed in separating colloidal solutions which easily pass through the filter paper. For the process of centrifugation, the device centrifuge is used. I will discuss the method to separate cream from milk. Pour full cream milk in a test tube in the centrifuge. The milk is poured into the test tube shown here in the centrifuge device. Then lid of the centrifuge is shut and current is switched on. When the centrifuge starts working, the tube containing milk swings out in the horizontal position and whirls around its axis at high speed. Here we can see in the centrifuge, when current is switched on, the tube containing milk swings in the horizontal position and it is moving, whirling at a very high speed. Here the centrifugal force, that is in the outward direction, pushes the heavier particles outward, that is towards the bottom of the mixture. Hence the heavier particles of the substances like proteins, carbohydrates, etc. are pushed towards the bottom of the test tube, but the lighter particles of the fat stay near the top of the tube and hence separate. Now the applications of centrifugation. It is employed in milk dairies to separate cream from the milk. It is used in diagnostic laboratories in testing urine samples. It is used in blood banks to separate different constituents of blood. And also used in drying machines to squeeze out water from the wet clothes.